Hey everybody, welcome back to another week in the shop with James. Today we're going to talk about painting. Most people that I've talked to despise painting. They absolutely hate it. They can't stand it. They don't want anything to do with it, so they hire it out. But really, it's not that hard. Anybody can do it. You just need a little bit of patience and a couple little tips to maybe make it go a little smoother. The biggest, most important thing I can tell anybody who wants to tackle a painting job, it's not about the paint you use, it's not about the fancy color, the texture, or the sheen. The most important piece of the puzzle is actually your brush. And it's not even the roller. While different rollers will help you get a different texture, they'll help you get a little bit smoother application or maybe even a little more even application. That's not the biggest thing. It's your brush and your cut-in. Because the ultimate thing at the end of the day is when your edges look rough and maybe not real well finished, and maybe you get a little paint where you didn't quite want it, like on your trim. That makes a paint job go from excellent, fabulous, wonderful to, oh man, I wish I hadn't done that. So what I can recommend is picking up a good brush. It will make your cut-in go so much easier. And in this video, you can watch as I apply a tip I like to call in the on-ramp. In this video, you can watch something that I like to call the on-ramp technique. What that is you're basically applying the paint to the wall, and then you slowly ease over to the edge where you want the fine line to be. That allows you to really control that bead of paint that's pouring off the edge of your brush, and it gives you a nice finish when you're done. It also gives you a perfectly straight line that looks like you masked it. Oh yeah, did I mention? Today, we're not going to use any masking tape. None. Stick around. I'll show you how I do it. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but bear with me. I'm using a light gray paint over white. Some of the close-ups, you can see it really well, but from a distance, it's not great, so I apologize for that. One of the big tips, don't put too much paint on your brush. Having too much paint on your brush, it starts to run, it starts to
collect on the brush and run back towards your hand, it just makes a mess, and more importantly, you can't control it. So a small amount of paint, and you'll see as I do some close-ups here a little later in the video, I don't put a lot of paint on the brush. I kind of spread a little bit of it on the wall till I have a right amount on my brush, and then I slowly ease it over to my cutting edge. Okay, here you can see the on-ramp technique. And just like it sounds, you're slowly merging into the final edge that you want your paint to run. And as you can see, I wipe off some of the paint on the wall till I have the right amount on my brush to where I'm comfortable that it's not going to overflow and get onto this cabinet in this case. So you just gently squeeze the brush till it fans out right up to your edge, and you pull down until it stops really covering well, and then you come back and do the on-ramp again, and you keep kind of rolling into it. As you can see here, I don't put a lot of paint on. This is what I was talking about. Controlling how much paint you have will allow you to control where that paint goes much, much better.
hey, thanks for sticking around watching our videos. I hope you learned something today. If not, take a look at the rest of our videos. Maybe there's something in there you could learn. I don't know. It's kind of why we do it. Share the knowledge that I have. Share the knowledge as I learn things. I like to share it with other people. And I kind of like making the videos, so it's kind of fun for everybody. But hit that like button. Hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified when we put up a new video, which, by the way, is every Friday. Look forward to seeing you guys again. Bye.